Space travel. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define the term space and state its characteristics. Describe space travel. State the purpose of space travel. Identify the benefits of space travel. Mention the dangers of space travel. Space is a place beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Characteristics of outer space. Light from the sun passes through outer space. There is no gravity in outer space. The outer space is empty, that is, it is void. Sound does not pass through outer space. That's why outer space is always quiet. Outer space is very large and beyond man's imagination. Brief history about space travel. By the year of the Lord, October 4, 1957, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, now called Russia, was the first to launch an artificial satellite called Sputnik 1 into space. By the year of the Lord, 12 June 1961, a Russian astronaut called Yuri Gagarin was the first man to make a successful space journey. By the year of the Lord, 25th July 1969, an American astronaut called Neil Armstrong was the first person to visit the moon and the first person to walk on the moon. Space travel is the movement of man or object in a spaceship from the Earth to outer space. A person who is trained to pilot or serve as a crew member of a spacecraft is called an astronaut. The first rechargeable spacecraft is called a space shuttle. Booster rocket is used to lift off the space shuttle from the launching pad, and it pushes it into orbit after overcoming the Earth's gravitational force, a phenomenon simply referred to as escape velocity, velocity that must be attained to help push the spacecraft into orbit so as to overcome the Earth's gravitational force. A retro rocket is a device used to control the speed of a spaceship on its re-entry into the Earth. A retro rocket produces a force in the opposite direction of the spaceship to slow the spaceship down. Benefits of space travel. Benefits of space travel include collection of scientific information about the Earth and other planets. It has helped to discover new things such as kidney dialysis, space protein for the design and to test new drugs, to also detect dangerous levels of microwave radiation through space technology. Space travel aids in the production of special computers, photographic equipment such as X-ray and gamma ray machines, telecommunication equipment such as satellites, remote sensing equipment to guide aircraft or spacecraft, production of rockets and aircraft fuels. The purpose of space travel. The purpose of space travel is to gather information about the moon, sun, planet, and other heavenly bodies. To place a satellite in space. To search for possible life in other planets. To make research in agriculture, medicine, and telecommunication. To ensure the future survival of humanity. Dangers of space travel. Dangers of space travel include Explosion of rockets at the launch pad or in flight. Wrong calculation of angle, speed, and time of launching can lead to missing spaceship or accident. Inability to control the speed of the spaceship during re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere can lead to an accident and death of astronauts. Failure of some equipment in the spaceship to function well can lead to missing spaceship. The inability of the spaceship to reach escape velocity, that is, unable to leave the Earth's surface into orbit, and this can lead to an explosion. Weightlessness of spaceship as it is overcome the Earth force of gravity. Weightlessness affects astronauts in the spaceship, and these effects include: astronaut cannot drink from the cup, eat with spoon, astronaut muscles size reduces since the muscles are not used, astronauts lose calcium from bones and experience weight loss. Their hands become thinner and also their legs become thinner.